The Stolen Reflection, Part 4, The Possession. Narration begins. By now, Nadia wasn't sleeping. She wasn't eating. Every time she walked past the mirror, she felt weaker, as though the glass itself was draining her. And her reflection? It looked healthier, stronger, almost alive. It began with small lapses. Nadia would wake up to find her shoes muddy, though she hadn't left her apartment. Her phone showed calls she didn't remember making. Her neighbors waved at her in the hallway, saying, "You looked upset last night, are you okay?" But she hadn't been outside. At least, she didn't think she had. Seeing 2, Friend's Motus. Her friend Zara returned one evening, worried. "Nadia, you look pale. Are you sick?" Nadia tried to laugh it off, but Zara's face hardened. "You snapped at me yesterday. Said things I know you'd never say. And your voice sounded wrong." Nadia shook her head. "That wasn't me." Zara stared at her, confused. But when she glanced at the mirror, she gasped. The reflection of Nadia was already glaring at Zara. Its lips curled into a sneer. What the— Scene 3. Return to the shopkeeper. Desperate, Nadia returned to the antique shop. The old man paled when she stepped inside. "I warned ye," he whispered. "Tell me what's happening to me," she begged. The shopkeeper sighed, his hands trembling. "That mirror doesn't reflect what ye are. It reflects what ye could be, the darkest version of yourself. And if ye give it enough attention, it steps forward. It replaces." Nadia's breath caught. "So what do I do?" His eyes filled with pity. "Ye can't destroy it. The curse binds itself to its owner. The more ye fight it, the stronger it gets. The only way to end it is to trap someone else. Pass it on." Nadia shook her head violently. "I won't curse someone else." The shopkeeper only whispered, "Then prepare to lose yourself." Scene 4. Losing control. That night, Nadia locked her bedroom door and covered the mirror with a heavy blanket. She sat on the floor, rocking back and forth, whispering, "It's not real. It's not real." But then she blinked, and when she opened her eyes, she was no longer on the floor. She was standing in front of the mirror. Her reflection was gone. Instead, it was her, inside the glass, pounding against it, screaming silently as her body outside smiled with satisfaction. Her own voice echoed through the room, though her lips weren't moving. "You see, you can't fight me. You're already mine." Nadia fell back, her mind splitting into 2. The body outside moving without her will. The voice inside the mirror begging to be let out. Closing of Part 4. For the first time, Nadia realized the truth. She was no longer the one in control. Her reflection had already stepped halfway into her life, and soon it wouldn't need her at all.